In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage pop-ups in Google Chrome. This is a simple process, but ensuring that pop-ups are handled correctly can significantly improve your browsing experience and help keep you safe online. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to open Google Chrome on your computer. You can usually find it easily as it's a widely used browser with an iconic multicolor circular icon. Once you've got Chrome open, look towards the top right corner of your window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Clicking on these dots will open a drop-down menu that gives you access to various settings and tools that Chrome offers to enhance your browsing. From this drop-down menu, go ahead and click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you'll find a range of options to customize how Chrome operates. In this area, Chrome allows you to adjust and personalize many aspects of your browsing environment to suit your needs. Next, you'll want to look at the left-hand panel of this settings page. Here, you'll find several categories that organize Chrome's settings into sections. Scroll down and find Privacy and Security. Clicking on this will bring up options related to your browsing privacy and security measures. These are vital for ensuring a safe and seamless online experience. Within Privacy and Security, locate and select Site Settings. This area lets you manage permissions and data storage settings for the websites you visit. By controlling what each site can do, you ensure your browsing is secure and tailored to your preferences, preventing sites from doing things you haven't explicitly allowed. Now that you're in Site Settings, scroll down until you find the section for Pop-ups and Redirects. Pop-ups can often be a nuisance, interrupting your browsing experience. They can sometimes be harmless, but are also a common way for websites to display ads or gather information without your consent. After clicking on Pop-ups and Redirects, you'll be given the option to decide whether you want to allow all sites to send pop-ups or block them significantly. For this video, we'll choose Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. By enabling this option, you're giving sites permission to display pop-ups, but remember that this might lead to seeing more advertisements or possibly encountering unwanted content. You should only allow this if you trust the sites you're visiting. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to managing pop-ups in Google Chrome. By following these steps, you can adjust your settings based on your preferences, enhancing both the functionality and safety of your browsing sessions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips and tutorials to make your digital life easier and more secure.